Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, we will write and demonstrate bitwise operators in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, like, comment, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here sharp include stdio.h. In the C language, it is a library file that which allows us for input output. Line number 14 will be end main. It is a main function in every C program. It is the starting and ending point of every program execution. We have begin x and y, two variables. Line number 17, we have new line, and then the title of our program, bitwise operators in C. In this line of code guys, we are asking the user to give two integers that will be stored in our variable x and y. So line 23, we have here the end ampersand operator, vertical bar, power, complementary, and then right shift operator here, and then a left shift, and then right shift operator, and end of program. And then we close our program here. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of our bitwise operators in C. Okay, so after we have done, let us compile and run. Okay, bitwise operators in C give two numbers. We have 1000 and then we have 10. So we have here 8, 1002, the result 924, 101, 4000, and 250, end of program. Another example, let's say we have 300 and then we have 12. So we have here the result 12, 300, 288, 301, 12, and 75, end of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write a bitwise operators in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do some questions, comments, and suggestions, can they leave in the comment section of this video tutorial. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code for free. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.